So we've spoken about the benefits of these. Once these are fitted to your door and these carriers get fitted inside the door, which we will have a look at now, they prevent any dust getting in, prevent any creepy crawlies, any mice, and then of course any embers. And with the embers, SYG only supplies the flame retardant PA6 rated bristles. And the reason that we do this is because even if you're in a city area which doesn't have the bushfire requirements, even if you have a normal fire, you don't want to have live embers able to get inside your garage, or using cheaper nylon filament that it becomes a flammable hazard. So you're actually creating additional risk to your property as opposed to reducing it, which we're trying to do.
This is the carrier for the brush seal, and you'll get a number of these depending on the size of the door. The brushes are in carriers like this, which then get affixed to the wall or to the lintel, which you can see over here. And then as the door comes down, it then closes up against those bristles and it creates a seal. As the door lowers, you can see how the door seats against the brushes to create a complete seal. This track with roller doors is actually hard up against the wall, and you release the retaining nut and you pull this away and simply slide this carrier behind the track, and then when you tighten the bolt, it will tighten the track against there. So that is the main difference in installation between the sectional and the roller doors. If you're not sure which it is, just go and have a look at your tracks. If they're away from the wall, you've got a sectional door. If they're against the wall, you've got a roller door. But we can also take a quick look and show you what a sectional door looks like. A roller door rolls up into a big barrel, and that sits above the aperture or the hole of your garage. The sectional door is like this one. So a sectional door is a door that is made up of sections. They also call them panel lift doors because you have these panels, and these panels, as the door lifts up, will then end up parallel to the floor.